Ever look at something and wish your phone could just tell you what it is? With Bixby Vision Scene Describer on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it actually can. This feature uses AI to analyze what your camera sees and describe the scene for you, and it's especially helpful when you need quick, accurate details. To do so, open Camera app, tap More, then select Bixby Vision icon. At the bottom, make sure you are in the Scene Describer section. Now, point your camera at an object. Tap the shutter button. Bixby Vision will analyze the image and give you a short description. So when you need this, it's super useful if you are helping someone with low vision, writing alt text for photos, or simply want to confirm what's in a picture before sharing it online. Scene Describer turns your Galaxy S25 Ultra into a more just a camera. It becomes a smart assistant that understands what it sees, whether it's for accessibility, productivity, or convenience. It's a small feature that can make a big difference. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.